Hello, my fellow oddities, and welcome back to another episode. In this episode, we're going to be adding some corals to our Reef Seascape. Stick around, follow along, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. Also, while you're at it, if you want to go take a look at my website, I've got prints, t-shirts, stickers, and all other sorts of stuff available. So, without further ado, now let's just get right into it. So the process of painting these corals is relatively the same across all of them. I just got some different colors mixed together, went with some pretty wide varieties of color ranges, looked at a few reference images of corals, and from there I just kind of wung it. There is really no specific light source per se. I just kind of used my typical light source, but I didn't really stick with that theme, especially when it came to some of the round corals that I did. But outside of that, there's really not much explaining I can do other than just showing you. So if you just want to follow along, see what I've done. If there's any tips that I can think of as I'm going through this process, I'll make sure to share them with you then. So for these corals, what I would do, the basic process is I would mix up a basic color and then I would add some lower tones and higher tones, mixing in some Mars Black or some titanium white, and just play back and forth with those tones until I got the correct look of the coral that I was going for. So if you notice here, I tried a couple of different methods before finally deciding just to scratch it and start over again, and it ended up looking a lot better in the end. It just did not work out in the beginning. Once I finally figured out I just needed to start over a few times, it just ended up looking a lot better. Now the final step here to help blend it all in together is to go in with a very small angle brush and just add some dark shadows in there with some watered down Mars Black. This just really helps all the corals blend in. So if you've been following along, you should have something relatively close to this. If this is your first time here, please make sure that you hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. Thanks for following along and watching, and we'll see you on the next episode.